Hello friends. Welcome to Humorous Kingdom channel. Today, we will watch extremely funny moments of adorable dogs and cats together. Prepare to laugh out loud in the next 15 minutes. Don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss the next funny videos. Come on, let's get started.
Me. Grows beautiful flowers with love and care, and this bee be like, yum yum yum.
No!
It may take a lot of effort, but a good boy will learn eventually.
There's always that one who's too uptight and another who's too laid back. This is legit me scrapping with some other shopper on the sale.
Why?
Don't lick his face, Mama.
Today is her first day as a babysitter. Be easy on her. Welcome to our hamster circus, starring Hammy, the high-flying acrobat. Big applause. Me at 5 p.m. Insert beta to reset, please.
Can you name a better duo? I guess not.
Hours later. Step aside, sitcom shows. Who could be funnier than this dog? Anywhere can be a playground as long as your canine friend is with you.
You wanna have lunch? No.
If I want to give
Being born a dog cannot stop this cutie from chasing his dreams of becoming an interior designer. Why is this ambulance so furry and fluffy?
This crawling army guarantees to defeat their enemies with their cuteness. One of the perks of working as a dog is free healthcare.
When you try to get off the hook, but your guilty eyes say it all.
Did you do it? Did you do it?
puppies, right?
I know, it's different that the kissies come from above, huh?
Taller than your dogs.
Come on, baby. Bella, come on.
Well, because the safest place is right in the back of the enemy, right?
Louie's got the ball, honey.
Why
Mercy? Huh? What is that? Put that down. Mercy! What? Drop that.
Nope.
Horse. Seriously, Go? I told ya. You gotta pay the rent on time. Get your canine therapist checked up regularly to make sure they do not overwork.
Hi.
Caroline.
Hi. Hey.
You gonna hurt our feelings, okay?
This giant dog seems totally blown away to discover such a tiny creature.
What is over?
Okay.
When you and your sibling both got your hearts set on the same toy.
Stay stills. Love will find a way, they said, and be like, don't we all have that one friend laughing before the joke is finished?
Yeah, I do. Nosy is my best friend in the whole wide world.
Thanks for joining the laughter-filled pet party. If you had a blast watching our video, hit the like button. Share with your friends.
Thanks for watching the funniest animal videos of 2024. Like, share, and subscribe for more laughter that'll have you crying tears of joy. Bye.
Okay. Guess where we are?
Your favorite place, the bed. I can still see you.
Hope you had moments of laughter with us. Don't forget to click like, subscribe to channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any funny videos. Share this video for your friends to laugh together. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.